Let's take a look at how maps work in the EventPilot app. Imagine you find a session that you want to attend, or you find an exhibitor that you want to see, and you need to know where it is. From the detail view, tap on the location icon, and you can see exactly where the session room or exhibitor booth is located. Pinned maps also offer reverse lookup, meaning you can tap in the center of a location to see which sessions are happening or which exhibitor is in a particular booth. If you are not at the venue, you can tap Route Me on the top to get directions in your mapping app. Now imagine you are sitting in a session, but it is not covering what you were hoping for. Use the little location symbol on the top, which lists other sessions that are currently going on near this session. The app doesn't know your location, it simply displays other sessions that are pinned on the floor plan next to this session. Locations are also searchable, so if you want to see where a particular room or exhibitor booth is, simply search for it. Or, if you are looking for a certain types of exhibitors, open the Exhibitors tab, select the Map tab, and enter a filter keyword. Let's find all biomedical exhibitors in the hall. You can tap on the individual red dots or just use the list that sorts by booth number to walk aisle by aisle.